there are 7 parameters that we need to discuss in the parameters of op amp. That is, the first parameter, input offset current. So input offset current is denoted with IIO. So input offset current is nothing but it is the difference between the currents that are entering into the inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal. So in general, we take the magnitude of the difference between the currents that are entering into both the input terminals. So IB2 minus IB1, we take the magnitude of that as the input offset current. And the next one, the next parameter is input bias current. The input bias current is in general denoted with IB. The input bias current, it is the average of the currents that are entering into inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal, denoted with IB. IB equal to IB1 plus IB2 by 2. And similarly, we have input offset voltage as well. Input offset voltage is denoted with VIO. So input offset voltage, it is the amount of voltage that we need to apply to make the output offset voltage to 0. So that we can apply to any one of these two input terminals based on the output offset voltage. Sometimes the output offset voltage may be positive, sometimes it may be negative. So based on the output offset voltage, to make it to 0, we need to apply some sort of input voltage here to the input terminals. So the amount of input voltage that we need to apply here to make the output voltage 0 is known as input offset voltage, VIO. And the next parameter we need to discuss is CMRR, common mode rejection ratio. So common mode rejection ratio is the ratio of the differential mode gain to the common mode gain. So CMRR equal to AD by ACM. So differential mode gain की common mode gain की मतलब ना ratio ने common mode rejection ratio अंडामु. In general, the value of common mode rejection ratio is infinity in the case of ideal. When it comes to practice, it must be as large as possible or as high as possible, right? So that is CMRR. Then supply voltage rejection ratio. So supply voltage rejection ratio. So supply voltage rejection ratio, it is the change in the output voltage that is caused by the change in the supply voltages. So if you change the supply voltages abruptly during the operation, it causes the change in the output voltage. So the change in the output voltage that is caused by the change in the supply voltages is known as the supply voltage rejection ratio. It is given by delta VIO by delta V. So the amount of supply voltage change is denoted with the delta V, and the amount of change in the input offset voltage that we need to make is delta VIO. And similarly, we have the next parameter, that is drift. So we all know that the change in the temperature causes many of the parameters to be changed. So temperature, if the temperature is getting varied, many of the parameters will be getting varied, such as the input offset current, input offset voltage, input bias current. All of these parameters are going to be changed if the temperature is going to be varied, right? So that change in the parameters with respect to the change in the temperature is known as the drift. So that condition we used to call it as drift. And the next parameter that we will discuss is slew rate. So it is the maximum rate of change of output voltage per unit current. So it is denoted with SR and it is given by dV by dt. So the maximum rate of change of the output voltage, so we consider the maximum value here, right? These are all the parameters of the op amp that decide the performance of the op amp. So whenever one wants to go for op amp, based on its parameters, we can better or not good?